it's Noel from Beauty Vice. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Dermalogica Multivitamin Microfoliant. This has become one of my favorite exfoliants ever. I used it for the first time a couple weeks ago and I was so amazed by how your skin feels afterwards. So the microfoliant basically works with heat. So once you put it on your skin, it starts to warm up. This is what it looks like. And it's almost like a thick gel. So what you're going to do is first, you're going to go ahead and you're just going to make sure that your skin is a little damp. I like to mix it with rose water. It just makes me feel like I'm using something that's really moisturizing. Then I get the microfoliant. I'm going to warm it up in my hands. Right away, you're gonna feel it getting warm. And then you're gonna go ahead and in a nice circular motion, you do not need a lot of this product. You go ahead and you're gonna go over it. You will feel it warming up a little bit. The product is amazing. I'm actually gonna show you why I'm so in love with this product in a second when I'm done with my face. Go ahead and you're gonna apply it on your neck. Again, you're just gonna go in. I like it to just sit there for a second. Next, I've discovered that this product is amazing for your hands. I used it on my hands the other day and I can't even explain how soft my hands were. So you just get it, you're gonna put it on your hands and you're just going to massage it on your hands. As you know, your hands are so important. They age, we get sunspots, they get rough from all of the work we do, and this product leaves your hands so soft. I used it the other day for the first time. I was like, wow, in love with it. So you just do that, go over my skin one more time. Again, on my hands. Then all you do is you're gonna get your lukewarm water. I start by washing my hands off first. Then I'm gonna wash my face. Sorry, washing my face. After that, I go ahead and I get a little towel and I'm just going to make sure I get it all off my face, my neck. And that's it. Now, when you use this on your hands, I just want you to feel your hands when you're done. So soft again. And your face, so soft. Beautiful glow. It preps your skin. It's one of the best, sorry, it's all wet. One of the best exfoliants I've used yet. I love this stuff. I also used it on my feet. I mean, you basically could use it anywhere. And it really does make a difference. It leaves your skin smooth. It works so well. It's not a harsh, abrasive exfoliant. It just leaves your skin glowing and soft, and it's the perfect weekly use exfoliant. So it's a must try for everyone. Have a great day. Bye.